guys, welcome back to the channel. Ron's Keto Cafe and Chaffles for Life recipe episode 14. Today we're making Oreo Chaffles. Now I made this recipe one other time before, and I just recently found it, and this is a repost, and I'm going to be remaking this again at a later date. But just follow me along and you guys will be fine. Okay, for the ingredients is 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons of confectionate swirl powder, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened powder, 2 eggs in the filling, 3 ounces of softened cream cheese, 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and 3 tablespoons of confectionate powder swirl on the cocoa powder. And I believe it was 2 on the cocoa powder and 3 on the confectionate swirl for the filling. So let's just go right into the video, and this is pretty much easy to figure out. We'll come back and we'll talk about it at the end. So this is part 1 actually. I'll be redoing this video later on down the road, but I just got done making the cream cheese filling, and now I'm just kind of like making it like a sandwich, and then I just folded it up and added the other one on top, and at the end of the video, I was biting into it and showing you on the video with the original voice. I took off the voice, and they have a final product, and these tasted really, really good for a snack, and late afternoon snack. And again, it's a good project if you want to work with your kids on that. And it was really good. I really enjoyed it. And again, I'll be making a remake of this later on down the road. Right now, I'm just dealing with a cold and some other issues going on. But I hope you enjoy these videos. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And it was just a very easy, simple recipe. And on the cocoa powder, I use sugar-free from the Hershey's brand. And I ended up getting that through Amazon. But I did see it at Walmart and some other stores from time to time. Anyways, have a great day, guys.